This isn't a plastic cup, but it is plastic. These are those little terrariums from the Dollar Tree. So I thought, hey, why not? It's a giant light bulb. Let's see if we can make this one into a solar light too. And let's see if we can make it coastal while we're at it. So again, using some of the Beach Fairy Garden. These were a great excuse to use these as I have so many Beach Fairy Garden figurines from this year. And I used so many today. Okay, so I just glue the little palm tree right in the center of the light bulb like that. That's about all I think is going to fit in there. It's not super big. Now, it does have the hole in the side of it. And so that does pose a little bit of issue because I do pour a little brown sand in there. So I can't do very much because I don't want it all dumping out on the side of the hole. Now, I was trying to determine, could I attach the little solar light to that hole in the back? But I found it was really distracting. If you looked through the light bulb, you could see the black plastic. You could see the big silver thing sticking out the side of the light bulb. And it just kind of seemed unnatural there. So I'm just going to leave the hole open. And we're just going to replace the top of the little light bulb with the solar light instead. It's not what I originally planned, but it worked so much better that way. So I just glue around. And this is a little bit wide for the solar light. And I do want to hang it as well. So before I go ahead and put it on there, I'm just going to put some twine in there and glue that on the inside of each side so that I can hang this. And I actually hung this from like a plant hook out in my Florida room. So one of those smaller ones from Dollar General would probably work better because it was a little wide for the top of the light bulb, but we'll disguise it a little bit with some Dollar Tree rope just to make it look more intentional and to cover up all the area there that we had to expose by taking the top of the light bulb off. So just using that thinner Dollar Tree rope, I'm just going through and filling that in. I'm also kind of sandwiching in that hanger, which is going to make the hanger stronger as I hot glue the rope over the sides. And again, if I could do this over again, I would probably use the smaller one, but I didn't have a smaller one at the moment, so we're going to make it work. So once I get there, I'm going to cut that off and glue that down, trying not to dump all of my sand out. But I think the little palm tree with the little surfboard is so cute in there. And there is a little hanging light bulb. I think we made it work, and it lights up really well. So this is how the little light bulb terrarium from the Dollar Tree looks, combined with a solar light. And of course, we gave it that coastal beachy touch with the rope and the little palm tree and sand inside. Super fun, and this is great to hang because it's plastic, so if it falls, you're not going to have to worry about broken glass or anything like that.